Every building has its architecture, and the building of MCP also does have. So now understand what are the components that make up the building of MCP. Model Context Protocol, the English, the lingua franca of AI world. So the first thing that MCP has is an MCP client. Let's recollect our past example of paralleling the MCP with you giving an order to a caterer. So you, when giving the order to a caterer, is a client. Likewise, every machine that is using the service of some giant MCP that is available 24/7 to serve you is called client. And in the subsequent way, the one that is offering his service and server. The one who is serving, the machine that is storing the tools, that has the resources, the memory, the processors, huge giant processors that are loaded with all the necessary instructions, large language models. They are the servers. They have all the machinery, and you can rent out those machinery when you are giving the orders as a client to those servers. And the third part of the MCP architecture is the MCP protocol. So when you are giving an order to a caterer, the caterer is going to require you to fill a form or to have you communicate him in a certain way. That's likewise whenever two MCP client and an MCP server are communicating, they have established some kind of rules that you have to give me certain informations in order for me to execute your work in the most efficient way. So that communication rules are called the MCP protocol. So in conclusion, the architecture of MCP contains three things: the MCP client, you and me and thousands of people that needs the services, the MCP server that has the machinery, then all necessary tools available at his disposal, and the MCP protocol, the established rules to use those tools in an efficient way. Thank you very much.